my friends? Hope that you're having an awesome day today. And there's a brand new feature in Clickfunnels that everybody's talking about, but there's no training documentation yet. So I'm gonna give you just a glimpse of how you can configure your affiliate center so you can start getting your commissions. Okay, so we're here on our Clickfunnels environment. And if you don't see the app here on your left side that says Affiliate Center, all that you have to do, you click the plus sign, and in here you should see the option for Affiliate Center. And as you click there, it will tell you go to Affiliate Center. And from the top bottom, on the top, in yours may be completely empty because you don't have nobody yet there. But I'm gonna go from the bottom up so you can start looking at what it is. So in the settings is where you're gonna configure all the details for what you're gonna do and how you're gonna then even eventually pay out all your commissions. So the first thing, there's some information that you can configure for the sidebar. This social message, you're gonna see that when we get into the affiliate side, you can share a button so your affiliates can say, hey, I just joined this program, and then it will have that message and the link to your affiliate center. Then in commissions, by default, you're gonna see your workspace name here in the first one, and it will be in 00. So all you have to do is you click the gear, and then you can configure your commission tiers, and you have a tier 1 and a tier 2. And normally what happens is that if one person sign up, that is tier 1. If the person under them also sign up and sell your product, that is tier 2. So the question is, how much will an affiliate get when they are the ones that bring the lead or do the sale, and how much they get when someone underneath them get that sale. So you can do that part in here. And then you're gonna see that this product override happen when we can also create different commission tiers or plans for specific products. So here in the commission tab is where you configure your workspace tier. Then when you go into the payout section, you're gonna see that it's gonna ask you for what is the threshold. How much money will an affiliate have to sell so you can generate a payout to them? And then you're gonna have your PayPal email, so you can then configure that to make the payout to them. So after you have that configured in your settings, I'm gonna jump into commission plan. There's a reason for that. So when I go into the commission plan, this is what I need to do to assign it so someone can get a commission in the environment. So if I go create commission plan, I can put a name. So if you like a color, you can put a color. This is so it will make it easier for you to see it in the interface, and you may have different tiers or different commission plans. But here's a very interesting detail. By default, you don't have a commission plan assigned to when your affiliates join in. So by making this the default one, it will apply this commission plan, whatever you do for this commission plan, as a default for them and for products. So I'm gonna go create. Now that I have the commission plan, in here I have the details of how much is that commission plan, so I can change it. So let's say that my commission plan, I'm gonna switch it to make 20 and 10. So see, this changed the regular commission plan This is then the workspace. In this case, is telling me the workspace is overriding this because I specifically define it for that product. And that's what I wanted to show you. You can have a default commission plan for everything and have one for the product. So how do you add a product? In here, in the commission plan, you click add. And in here, you're gonna see on the right side, you're gonna see all the products that you may have in your environment. So I'm gonna go this t-shirt, and I wanna give a 20%. No, let's do 25 so it will look different. 25% and 5. So now within this demo commission plan too, I have the Beast Mode t-shirt, and it has a tier 1 and a tier 2 commission assigned to it. Okay, so that's the first thing. I need to create the settings and create the commission plan so I can then look at the products. You see here, commissionable products. Here you're gonna see all your commission plans, and you're gonna see something very interesting. You see that this first course that I have here, Clickfunnels Español, has a commission plan that is paying 30%, but everything else has a new commission plan assigned to it. That is the new demo commission plan. What that does is allow you to have flexibility on how much you can assign for a commission for one product versus another one. Okay, so we went into the settings, we created the commission plan, we look at the products. If you want to assign a different commission plan, you have to then assign it directly and it will get it. So now we need to create a campaign. My campaign, the way that it happened is that it's attached to a funnel. So in this case, if I go into this one, you're gonna see that you have a name, but you need to assign it to a funnel because it's gonna pick that funnel so you can then create all the links. So you pick your funnel right here. If you want to change a commission plan, you can change it right here and you save it. Based on what you have for that program, you can add an asset URL. The asset URL is where you're going to put all your copy. You're going to put your images. Everything is one URL. So probably, let's say you can put a Google Doc, or you can do a Google Drive folder or something that is one link. Okay, so after you have all this ready, all you have to do is get affiliates. So in the affiliates, you can add it as a create an affiliate in here on the top. You can put the number, the name and the number, or you can do a workflow. So for simplicity, I'm going to use one of the ones that I already have created. So you can see that you have the name, the plan that they have assigned to it, and there's this affiliate dashboard. So when I click that, it will open my affiliate dashboard, and it will then show me, you see right here on the left, the links that I can get for the campaigns that I have. And I can just take that link, and I'm gonna open a different browser, and you see that it gives you a link with the main URL for the funnel, and then it adds your affiliate number to the end. When you click that, it will open your page, whatever funnel you have designed, and it will then, when you subscribe or when you buy something, it will track it in your environment. So there you have it, my friends. This is a very simple, quick overview on how you can get your affiliate program up and running. There's something very interesting. I have something on the works for getting that link automatically when somebody subscribes. My friends, stay tuned. We'll see you on our next video.